Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about garlic and health benefits of garlic. If you not subscribe the channel, subscribe. Garlic is a versatile ingredient used in many cuisines worldwide for its distinct flavor. It's also believed to have various health benefits, like boosting the immune system and lowering blood pressure. Plus, it's delicious. Garlic has numerous uses in cooking, from adding flavor to dishes like pasta, stir-fries, and soups to being a key ingredient in sauces and marinades. It can also be roasted, minced, or sliced for different flavor profiles. Additionally, garlic is used in traditional medicine for its potential health benefits, such as boosting the immune system and promoting heart health. Some people even use it as a natural insect repellent in gardens. Garlic has a long and rich history dating back thousands of years. It's believed to have originated in Central Asia and has been cultivated and used by various civilizations throughout history, including the ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and Chinese. In ancient Egypt, garlic was revered for its medicinal properties and was even placed in tombs of pharaohs, like Tutankhamun, as it was thought to have protective powers. The ancient Greeks and Romans also valued garlic, using it for both culinary and medicinal purposes. It was considered a symbol of strength and was given to athletes before competitions. Throughout the Middle Ages, garlic was used in Europe not only. Garlic was used in Europe not only as a seasoning but also as a remedy for various ailments, including the bubonic plague. Today, garlic remains a staple ingredient in cuisines around the world and continues to be studied for its potential health benefits. In Ayurveda, the traditional system of medicine originating in India, garlic, known as rasona or lasoon, is highly valued for its medicinal properties. It is considered to have a heating, pungent taste and is believed to balance the vata and kapha doshas while potentially aggravating the pitta dosha when consumed in excess. Garlic is used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat various conditions, including respiratory problems like asthma and bronchitis, digestive issues, and even as a general tonic for overall health. It is also believed to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it useful in fighting infections. However, Ayurveda also emphasizes moderation in the use of garlic, as excessive consumption may lead to imbalances in the body. Like in other traditional systems of medicine, garlic is often used as part of a holistic approach to health, alongside dietary changes, lifestyle modifications, and other herbs and remedies.